Hi everybody, Carlos Packard with Citizen Portal coming at you here, and real quick here I'm going to give a quick demonstration on how to sign up with Citizen Portal and some of the things to get set up with. You can just go to citizenportal.ai, or you can scan this QR code that's on the screen here, and when you do that, that'll take you to the sign up page where you'll just enter in your information and your email and password and whatnot, and sign up. Okay, and after you've signed up, then you can log in to your Citizen Portal, and it'll bring you here. And a couple of things you're going to want to do. You're going to want to go to, and it's this stuff. Some of this stuff will have been populated from your sign up possibly, but under your profile menu here, you'll have account info, and in there you've got different things that you can tell it to manage and different things there. But the big thing here is you've got My Location. Under My Location, you'll put in your information, your address, and your city, your zip code, and this is going to then train the program to make sure that you get the right data. The meetings, the public and government meetings that are in your area, from your school, from your city, county, state, and then it's geared towards where you live. Okay. Another one that you'll look at is My Alerts. You can program this to tell you and alert you via email whenever a specific topic is being discussed in a meeting. And it will alert you, and then you can go and look at those meetings and get the transcripts. And also, you have My Sharing Lists. This is where you can create and name whatever lists you want, however many lists you want, and then populate those lists with the individuals, the emails of those that you want to be able to contact using, through Citizen Portal. As you research and find information through these meetings, you can quickly block off and highlight the things that you want to send off to your lists, and you've got your lists already for you, and you choose the list to send it to, and it's to it. So anyway, there's a few other things. One of those that you'll probably also want to look at is this affiliate. Everybody has an affiliate code, okay? And you've got this affiliate code. So if you share this and invite people to join into Citizen Portal, if they subscribe to the monthly or the annual subscription to get full access to everything on the site, you will get a percentage of those subscriptions as they come through. It's a great way to do fundraising for your organization or to just get some residual income coming in. So anyway, those are just a few things that you'll probably want to go and check on and set up when you first go into Citizen Portal. Thank you very much.